the manifestation of the Solicitor General to the Supreme Court that he is evading a legitimate warrant of arrest, which is lawful by virtue of RA 9851, which preceded our signing of the Rome Statute, even if we had withdrawn from the ICC.
Ms. Says, for the enlightenment of everybody, including myself, we have to remember that this is a pending case before the Supreme Court, no? And when they asked for the comment of the OSG, that is precisely what it is. It is a comment. It is their position. It is not a judicial declaration of the legal status of our client. So yun po yung, kumbaga po sa kaso, kami po ay may hinain at yan po ang kanilang sagot. So katulad po ng kahit anong kaso.
Pero ano pong sagot ninyo dun sa posisyon ng gobyerno na siya po ay isang fugitive? At
Yes.
ano po, bakit po hindi? Bakit sinasabi niyong hindi po siya fugitive?
Kasi po kapag tumatakbo po ang isang tao mula sa batas, kailangan po malinaw kung ano po ba yung batas na tinatakbuhan. Kung ang tinatakbuhan po niya ay local na batas, yun po, tama po, fugitive po siya. Pero pag ang tinatakbuhan niya po ay yung International Criminal Court that we do not recognize, no? And lalo na po yung arrest warrant which was not properly processed within the all applicable laws na mahaba pong usapan yan, then he cannot be a fugitive. I would like to invite you, Ma'am Ses, if I may be given a little more time. I would like to invite you to imagine a scenario where hindi na po dumadaan sa ating mga korte ang mga warrant ng international, no? Kapag nangyari po yan, kung sino na lang po yung nakaupo, pag may kalaban po sa politika, no? Kung kakasuhan dito, mahaba yung proseso sa piskalya, sa korte. Pero pag kinasuhan sa ibang korte, you just ship him out at maduduterte po yung kalaban nila. And that is exactly the evil that we're trying to avoid for the sake of the sovereignty of our
But let me answer you also, attorney. Why are
ma'am.
you coloring this with politics when the case here involves the drug war victims during the time that he was PNP chief? And there is a law, RA 9851, not just because the Solgen is saying that there is, but there is a law. And
Yes.
for you to, I think the facts are being twisted here and we're being confused that this is just politics. It's really a case that he is answerable to. That's why the country had to seek the help of the ICC because wala pong recourse ang mga victims dito sa Pilipinas. But just the same, flight is guilt. Why does he have to leave the protective custody of the Senate, supposedly, to go into hiding when he was given to the discredit nga of some of his colleagues were criticized for granting that protection to him, and then he fled. How do you explain that?
Yes, ma'am. I hope I can convince some of you to keep at least an open mind here because
We want to listen to your arguments, but they
Thank
don't
you.
seem
Thank you.
sound.
Give me some time.
I'm sorry to say, but
No,
why,
just give me
why are
some
you
time,
coloring
because-
it with politics?
No,
when
I'm not.
may
No.
kaso po?
No. You asked me
Okay.
a multifaceted question, so let me answer the facets one by one. No, first of all, we have inspected the journals of the RA 9851, and that is part of our comment. Nakalagay po sa journals yung pag-uusap po ng mismo mga senador. Sila po mismo, si Senator Gordon in particular, sinabi that RA 9851 is not an enforcement mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to define the crimes against humanity and other crimes to be codified here and to be tried here. Basahin niyo po. I invite you para po mabuksan po lahat tayo, ma-enlighten tayo. Meaning, accountability will be pursued. We want that. Says. But it has to be here. It has to be here because our courts are functioning and RA 9851 instructs us to do so, and including the Senate journals and the Senate deliberations. Nandun pa nga po yung mga senador na hindi ko napapangalanan na ngayon nakaupo muli. Sila po mismo, si Senator Legarda included, they all acknowledged that RA 9851 is not a surrogate arrest mechanism for the ICC. It was meant to criminalize those crimes here in the Philippines and to be tried here in the Philippines, Ma'am says. I beg you to read the Senate journals.